Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. If you are wondering why we are celebrating the feast of San Pedro Calungsod today, originally his feast was really celebrated every 2nd of April, the day of his martyrdom. Kaya lang po, madalas ang ikadalawa ng Abril ay it's either a Holy Week, the Easter octave, or the 5th week of Lent. Kaya hindi po masyado na ipagdiriwang ng buong Pilipinas. And that is why with the resolution of our Catholic bishops, I think 2 years ago, they proposed and they mandated all of us to celebrate the feast of San Pedro Calungsod today, the 21st of October, the day of his canonization, for us to celebrate his memory and his inspiration as a whole nation. For our reflection, if you happen to see an image of San Pedro Calungsod, be it small statues or big ones, you would often see his statue with his foot forward. Madalas po makikita natin na ang mga santo ay pantay ang mga paa, nakaupo, nakatayo, nakaluhod. Pero madalas po ang imahin ni San Pedro Calungsod ay yung tipong naglalakad with his foot forward. The interpreters or those who made the image of San Pedro Calungsod deemed it worthy that his foot be forward to signal that this young man, Pedro, a catechist, someone who helped the Jesuits in their missionary, was really in his spirit to go on and move forward with his mission. Not only with that idiom of having your best foot forward because you will do your best, but his foot was forward, signaling all of us that he is ready to go on with mission. Pero tao lang din naman po si Pedro. Dumaan din siya sa madaming pagdududa sa kanyang bukasyon. Marahil bago niya iangat ang kanyang paa patungo sa kanyang misyon, ay napaatras din siya at natanong, ay teka, kaya ko ba ito? I will be doing a lot heavier mission to evangelize, to catechize soon-to-be Christians, to help Father Diego in his mission. Can I do it? Pero isa lang din po ang naging sikreto ni Pedro Calungsod. And we've heard such beautiful stories in our first reading today from the book of Sirach. Sirach too got to know all the compromises, all the temptations, all things or anything that would block him from doing his mission. Enemies, temptations, limitations, weaknesses. But Sirach got to know the power that the Lord is with me, for He saves those who takes refuge in Him and rescues them from every evil. Maybe like Pedro Calungsod, my dear brothers and sisters, we are taken into many situations of setting our feet off, na tila mapapaatras pa tayo. Kaya ko ba yung pinagagawa sa akin? Kaya ko ba yung ipinagkatiwala sa akin sa opisina? Can I be a good mother? Can I be a good student? Can I be a good religious? Can I be a good priest? Can I do my daily work well? But then let us remember that we move forward with the Lord and for the Lord. What made Pedro Calungsod his best foot forward present was that he knew well that God is with him, that he will move forward with the Lord and for the Lord. and such took off all fear. Having the Lord with us took away all the doubts. With such, every thought of weakness, of being undeserving was taken off. Because the Lord is with us, we remember that He takes away every fear and He moves forward with us and together for us.